Hello Maylin, happy birthday. May this special day remind you of how wonderfully you are made by God. As you step into another year of your life, may His love, grace, and blessings overflow in all you do. He said in Jeremiah 29:11, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope in the future." So may your heart be filled with joy and your path be guided by His wisdom. Wishing you a year of peace, love, and abundant blessing. Bye-bye, Maylin. Happy birthday. Mwah. As a friend, we miss you.
Happiest birthday, Ate Maylin. God bless you and more blessings to come. Continue to be a blessing to everyone. See you. Love you, Ate.
Hi, Ate Maylin. Happy birthday. Alam mo namang very, very proud kami sa'yo and keep trust in the Lord and more blessings and successful year and more love. Happy birthday!
Yon, hi and happy birthday Ate Maylin. Long time no see and naway maging masaya ka ngayon sa iyong karawan. I pray that this will be another year na maging victorious ka, and I pray din na the Lord will continue to give you the strength, the wisdom, and the patience na kailangan mo sa iyong work. And I pray din na you will be more steadfast and immovable, sabi nga sa theme natin. And pray na maka-join ka din sa worship service dito sa LCM. And we miss you and God bless you. Happy birthday!
Hi ate, happy birthday po. More birthdays to come and may you grow more sa Lord. And po, miss ka na po namin. Miss na po kita makita sa church. And yun, I hope you're doing okay po. You're doing well sa job mo ngayon. And kailan po yung kasal niyo? Charis. Yun na naman. So, happy birthday po. Praying for you always. And po, nakikita ko po kayo minsan sa ate, dun sa Toyota. And grabe, paganda ng paganda. So, yun. Stay healthy ate. Stay blooming. And ayan, happy birthday po.
Happy birthday Ate Maylin and more birthday to come and stay healthy. And thank you Ate Maylin dahil nakilala ka namin, and thank you din sa mga binigay mong mga damit sa akin, and thank you din pala sa pagtulong sa akin sa project ko na mag-interview at pumayag kang interviewin kita, and thank you dahil nakatulong ka sa aking grades.
Happy birthday! Happiest birthday sa'yo, ate. Joke lang. So, ayun. Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo, Maylin. Diba? And, ayun. Wish you all the best, of course, sa inyo ni Kuya Fred. Wow! Yun, nakita ko yung victory sa buhay mo. Na despite of those challenges na kinakaharap mo and pamilya mo, you stand firm. You show how God works in your life. So, happiest birthday sa'yo. And I pray na more birthdays to come. Blessings, of course, opportunities. Mo kong kalimutan na pag kakasal na kayo ni Kuya Fred. Joke lang. Happiest birthday. Bye.
Hi, Ate Maylin.
Happy birthday. God bless you always. I love you.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Maylin.
Happy birthday Maylin. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day.
Hi Ate Maylin. Happy birthday. Una pa lang kita nalit, sabi ko itong batang ito mabait. So hindi ako nagkamali kasi until now, super bait mo pa din sa amin, especially sa mga bata. Maraming salamat kasi na-meet ka namin at naging part ka na din ng family. Sana hindi ka magbago, mag-iingat ka palagi dyan. May God bless you always and more blessings to come to you and to your family. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Happy birthday!
Hi, Miss Maylin! Kumusta ka na? Na-miss namin yung pagiging prayerful woman mo, yung pag-lead mo, napaka-approachable mo. Diba? Miss ka na namin, bumalik ka na. Si Miss Maylin, maalala ko yung mga times na busy na lahat eh. Tapos may struggles pa nun si Carmina. siya na lang talaga yung last woman standing. Tapos, knowing na may struggles pa siya, estudyante pa siya, ganun. Tapos, grabe yung hard work and dedication niya sa church. Talagang strike anywhere siya. Grabe siya. Maisip mo na, ang galing naman ng batang to, ang sipag ng batang ito. Saan kaya siya kumukuha ng lakas? We miss you, Miss Maylene. Balik ka na.
Hi, Maylene! Happy birthday! We miss you na sa church. Ayan, ang declaration ko sa'yo is that more blessings to come and more birthdays to come. Ayan, in times of troubles or struggles, andyan talaga si Lord, andyan pa rin siya, and He will never leave you nor forsake you. Sabi nga sa Deuteronomy 31:8. Ayan, happy birthday, we miss you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy, blessed, happy birthday to you. May you continue to shine for the Lord Jesus Christ as you venture on many opportunities that comes along with life. Always make Jesus number one in your heart, in your mind, in your spirit, in your being, because God's purpose in your life will surely prevail. Kaya obey lang to the Lord, trust in the Lord, and enjoy the Lord's presence every day of your walk with the Lord, and always measure up to His divine intervention. God is so good, and continue to be beautiful inside out, all for the glory of God. Happy birthday! We love you, we love you. Happy birthday.
Hello, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Maylene. Thank you, Maylene, sa iyong buhay. Kita ko lahat ng iyong journey hanggang sa maging sa araw na ito at oras na ito ng iyong kaarawan. Papasalamat ako kasi kita ko nagsikap ka. Ikaw ay napakasipag, kaya nanimiss ka na namin. Anyway, we understand. Alam ko na mabalikan mo kami. I'm happy for you. I rejoice with you. Your mga accomplishments in life. Thank you for being yourself. For aiming high para sa iyong future. So, may this day be a day full of good surprises in your life, where you deserve na ikaw ay maging masaya with you and your whole family. So, happy birthday. We're always here. We love you. More blessings to you. Keep up the good work.
Happy birthday, Auntie Maylene. Auntie Maylene is so far. Why is Auntie Maylene so far?
Because she lives in Baguio.
Baguio?
Yes.
Hey!
You sing. Say happy birthday, Auntie Maylene.
Happy birthday, Maylene. So, 25 ka na. 25 na ka. So, matuan na ka. Balo mo ning dapat mong gawan. Pero, always know na laging atsuya mo yung Ate Kenny nung mangailangan kang advice. So, huwag ka mag-hesitate mag-message. What else? It's okay to enjoy your life now. Sulitan mo pa yung pang single mo. Also, hanggang pang rewardan mo yung sarili mo. Don't forget to save for your future. Okay? What else? Ano pa ba? Ano daw bang nami-miss ko na kasama kita? Actually, ako ami-miss eh. Kasi nakabusiton. Pero aside from that, makakamiss itang sweetness mo and thoughtfulness mo. Kasi syempre, ever since naman, mas close ka talaga ka na ako. Ano pa ba? Okay, fondest memory. Probably itang time na kay panagalan mo ko para ikis anyang baby ko. Itang ako akalinguan. So, happy birthday. Ulitin ko mo itang sinabi ko actually ay ate para nung atin kang buring kasabi, message mo kung mo. Also, ito, save up for your future. Tsaka, tapin, mag-enjoy ka pa. Kasi, ngayon 30 is the new 20s. So, 30s is the new 20s. So, ayan. Yan lang. God bless. Love you. Bye-bye. Matutod na ako. Lamuring ay bags ko. Bye!
Hello! Charan! Surprise! Iha, kamusta ka na? Happy birthday! So, ano ba yung namimiss ko kay Maylin? Siyempre marami. Namimiss ko yung kung paano siya magpagamit sa harap, sa music team, paano siya mag-share through giving, paano din siya pag may EGR, pwede din siyang maging, ano yun, teacher sa harap, preacher pa, and then, ano pa yung namimiss ko kay Maylin? Na, yung pag nagme-message ako, nagre-reply. Namiss ko yun. Nakakatampo kasi pag nagme-message ako, wala man ng reply. Pero, okay lang yun. Birthday mo naman eh. So, Maylin, dalangin ko na mas lalo kang lumago sa paglilingkod sa Panginoon. Ano man yung mga dahilan at kung bakit hindi kita nakikita sa LCM. Kaya talaga may mga moment na parang gusto mong magpahinga, may mga moment naman na basta may mga nangyayaring ganun sa buhay. Pero ang importante is nagpapatuloy tayo na naglilingkod sa Panginoon. And always remember kung ano yung dahilan, kung bakit tayo nagiging Kristiyano, kung bakit natututunan natin yung to share the Word of God. Kasi, alam mo na, wala si Ate Harriet, wala si Ate Carmina, so, I think, kailangan ka dito. Kasi, yung mga ate, nagkukulang na dito. So, praying na sa birthday mong ito ay marinig mo to. Happy birthday! I love you. I miss you.
Yeah, Maylin, happy birthday. Namimiss ko kay Maylin yung smile niya every time before na nasa church kami. May mga moment na yun lang, ngiti-ngiti lang. Bang nagkakaintindihan na sa tingin pa lang sa mata. Kaya yun ang namimiss ko. At tara, let's go. Our team for today para ma-update ka. Be steadfast and immovable. God bless and happy birthday.
Yeah. Hi Maylin, namimiss kita kasi naubos na yung lipstick ko. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Maylin. Ang haba na. Bye.
God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Maylin. Hope you enjoy your day with the ones you love, the ones you hold dear, and everything give thanks. And you continue your walk with the Lord. And take care. Lagaan mo si Fred. Happy birthday.
Hi Maylin, happy birthday. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Stay safe and God bless you more in the years to come.
Well, my mag-birthday is 18. Happy birthday, Maylene. I'm so happy for you. And I wish you all the best. As a kuya, I pray for all the best in all aspects of your life. Lalo na sa love life. Not only kay love life mo kay Fred, but also yung love life mo kay Lord. So ipagpatuloy mo lang yung naumpisahan mo. Para at the end, you will encourage more young people or other people para sumunod kay Lord. Thank you for your life. See ya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Mai. So, hindi ko alam reaction mo ngayon at nakikita mo itong video ko na to, but I hope it makes you happy. So, thank you for everything, Mai. Thank you for being my good friend. Thank you for all the support. Lalong-lalo na nung times na sobrang na-stress ako sa work dahil nga dyan minsan sa documents. And thank you for being there. So, gusto ko na sabihin sa'yo na continue being a good friend to everyone. Continue supporting everyone. Dahil alam ko doon ka magaling. And then, hawaan mo na ng onting kabaitan si Greta para naman masaya, no? So, yun nga, anyhow, miss na kita, miss ko na kayo, miss ko na yung bonding natin, na kahit wala tayong benta, basta masaya, no, yung mga yun ba? So, thank you for everything, Mai. Continue umaldo. I miss you na, bani.
Happy birthday, Ma!
Happy birthday!
Wish ko sa'yo, good health, and then, sana matupad mo lahat ng wish mo, and then, all the desires of your heart, good heart. Si Mai talaga mabait na bata yan. First impression ko sa kanya was nung sabay kami nag-apply ng Toyota. Nagtitraining kami. Basta tahitahimik niya lagi. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, ano ka ba? Huwag kang tatahitahimik dyan. Kasi nasa sales tayo na kailangan makapal ang mga pagmumukha natin. Tapos yun. Eventually, naging friends kami. And, ayun. Mabait talaga yan si Mai. And religious. Oh my God! Hindi ko pero pagiging mabait mo, Ma. Hindi ko yata bagay. Pag ako yung, kunwari ako yung si Maymay, tapos naging mabait akong katulad niya, hindi ko bagay. Patay ako eh. Chance. Pero love you, Maymay. Mama, chuchu. Mwah.
Hi, Mai. Happy birthday. Wishing you great health and wealth always. And sana magtagal pa tayong magkakasama dito sa Toyota. First impressions ko kay Mai is parang hindi kita masyadong napansin din nung una. Pero mukha kasing foreigner sa paningin ko noon. Ngayon, very thoughtful friend si Mai, and very thankful ako kasi naging friend ko siya. And sana magtagal pa tayo dito sa Toyota.
Ayun. Hi, Mai. Happy birthday. And sorry, nakalimutan ko yung birthday mo. Akala ko talaga 16. So, ayun nga, happy birthday. And wishing you good health and wealth as well. Yan ang sabi ni Shai, magpakayaman lang ng magpakayaman. And so, bali, ang first impression ko kay Mai, during immersion kasi first day ko yun. Then, andito ako sa may showroom. Na-assign ako dito sa showroom. Tapos, pinakilala ni Charlotte lahat ng mga MPs. Tapos, ang taray ng tingin ni Mai, hindi siya namansin. So, akala ko, yung mga ahente is parang snub, ganun. Pero, ano naman, nung medyo tumagal naman at nakasama ko naman siya, okay naman siya, mabait, tapos approachable naman din siya. Then kapag kausap mo naman siya sa mga serious na bagay, napaka-deep naman niya. And kapag kapag sa happiness naman, go lang ng go.
Naalala ko pala, yung first encounter ko kay Maymay, interview ko dito sa Toyota. Tapos nandito siya sa showroom, kasama niya si Charlotte. Tapos sabi sa akin ni Charlotte, good luck, see you, sabi niya sa akin. Tapos sabi ni May, sinabi niya sa akin, parang, see you again kasi sabi ni Charo. Tapos si May, if makapasa, parang ganun yung sinabi niya sa akin.
Ay, ano sabi mo yung parang di ba tinanong mo siya kung makukuha ka ba? Tapos sabi niya, let's see, sabi niya yata. Or
Hindi ko
hindi
na
naman.
maalala, pero parang ganun
ganun
yun.
Wow, may hang lakas mo HR yarn. Yan lang. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hi, Marlene. Uy, birthday mo na pala. Happy birthday. Wow, ilang taong ka na? Ang tawag nito, I know na excited ka ngayon dahil birthday mo and maraming preparation ng mga nagmamahal sa'yo. And I hope that itong araw na to ay maging special para sa'yo. And my word for you is in Lamentation 3:22-23, which says, "Now the steadfast love of the Lord never ceases. They are new every morning. Great is His faithfulness." You know, ang pag-ibig ng Diyos naman, hindi naman nagmamaliw yan. Hindi yan kahit anong situation mo, kahit anong tayo, minsan tayo ay mahal na mahal pa rin tayo ng Panginoon. And kahit anong challenges ang pinagdadaanan, alam mo, lalampas yan. Always, there's always morning, there's always new morning, there's a new morning every time. And alam mo naman, ang Panginoon ay napaka-faithful. Okay? Remember that. And I hope that, again, ma-enjoy mo ang birthday mo kasama ang iyong mahal sa buhay. Ay, grabe, ang iyong my love. Ang tawag dito, alam ko, ang dami nang prepare para sa'yo and alam ko na mag-i-enjoy ka. God bless. Enjoy your birthday. Have fun.